Where is my soul? Is it under the bed? My mom says I've got one. She knows this for sure. She tells me it's perfect and loving and pure. She says I can't see it, but it's definitely real. It's not something you hold, it's something you feel. She's done some soul searching, so my mom knows the truth. Don't look any further than deep within you. And when I was sad about a mean kid at school, my soul was there for me. I hope his was too. And in the beginning, when the world got its start, God gave us a soul, a whole one, not part. So into this great human quilt we're all sewn, and that's the best news of all, 'cause we're never alone. Author Christine Murphy's new book, Where is My Soul?, follows a little boy's journey and a mother's guidance as he discovers that the soul is infinite and what connects all of us to God. Buy a copy for your child today. It's the perfect bedtime story. Autographed and personalized copies are available on the author's website, www.whereismysoul.net.